5 Secrets to Younger Looking Hands, the Dermatology PA Plan. No more age spots and wrinkles. You've probably tried creams that leave your hands soft, but not younger looking. Today I'm sharing a Dermatology PA's real-world plan to reverse aging hands, from sun damage to crepey skin. Hands often age faster than your face. Thinner skin, constant UV light exposure, frequent washing, and sanitizer use all add up. But there are specific steps and products that actually help rebuild tone, fade brown spots, improve texture, and protect for the long haul. And if you'd like help with a free customized skin plan, click on the link in the description below. If we haven't met yet, I'm Beth. I'm a real 61-year-old dermatology PA with 25 years of clinical experience, and I see hands like this every day, and I've learned what really works versus what's just marketing fluff. Now, some of the affiliate links I list below may be Amazon affiliate links that I get a small commission on if you click them and buy something, but there's no extra cost to you, and it really helps support the channel so I can keep making these videos. UV protection is step 1. Why? UV drives age spots and collagen breakdown on hands just like on faces, but most people never protect them. You can start preventing more aging today. Here's some product picks for you. Super Goop Hand Screen SPF 40. It's a high SPF specifically formulated for hands, and it's great for daily use. Coola Anti-Aging Hand Cream SPF 30 Broad Spectrum SPF and hydration in one. If you only do one thing for younger hands, make it daily SPF. UV light goes through car windows. UVA actually goes through car windows. I like to keep sunscreen in my purse to put on in the car if it doesn't get too hot in there. The value point 2 is barrier repair and hydration. Hands get stripped dry from washing and using sanitizer, which makes wrinkles and crepey skin worse. Here's some really nice picks for everyday moisturizers. L'Occitane Immortelle Shea Youth Hand Cream. It's a classic nourishing cream with shea butter to lock in moisture. Prey Beauty Ageless Hand Cream is a hydrating plus hyaluronic acid to plump the skin. So you want to apply right after washing your hands and before bed with cotton gloves for maximum barrier repair. And if your hands are slightly moist when you apply it, that locks in the moisture even more. Now, number 3 is retinoids and cellular turnover. Retinoids aren't just for face lines, they help hands too by boosting collagen and helping fade age spots. So here's some targeted retinoid options for you. Beauty Pie Super Retinol Anti-Aging Hand and Body Repair Cream. It has encapsulated retinol for hands, and it has good reviews. Retinol Anti-Aging Hand Cream is a budget-friendly classic retinol formula. And Jan Marini Renew Corrective Hand Complex. It's a professional grade with azelaic acid and alpha-arbutin to help even tone. And if you saw the video on fading dark spots, you'll recognize those names. Start every other night, then increase if tolerated. Always follow with SPF in the morning. Retinoids make your skin more sun sensitive, so keep that in mind. Here's a curveball. Most people skip this step, and that's exactly why their hands never improve. Targeting age spots and discoloration. Creams with targeted spot fading actives and SPF can make hands look visibly more even over time. Here's some product examples for you. Nivea Cellular Luminous 630 Anti-Spot Hand Cream. It hydrates and targets pigmentation. Clarins Super Restorative Hand Cream also helps dark spot appearance. These cream-based fixes take 6 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Consistency is always a key in skincare routines. Now, point 5 is this is at night only luxury boosters. They aren't required, but they help you wake up with hands that feel firmer. Palm Overnight Hand and Foot Hydration Mask. It's an intense hydration mask with squalane and shea to lock in moisture. And Augustinus Bader, the hand treatment. It's a luxury formula that supports deeper rejuvenation. A nice touch is to use these right before bed after your thicker moisturizer. Now, here's some tips people miss. Don't use hand sanitizer without hydrating afterwards. It strips your barrier. Wear gloves when washing dishes or cleaning. That is an absolute. You have to do that. And shorter lukewarm hand washes preserve skin lipids, so don't wash with boiling hot water. Cooler water is better. Since hands look older with dark spots, I made you a video to help really fade dark spots faster with great over-the-counter ingredients, no prescription required. So you'll want to click on that one next if you haven't seen it yet. And I will see you in the next one.